This is a 2013 Kia Sportage, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, an intermittent rear window wiper, and this vehicle has fewer than 34,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.